How often do we hear people saying, "Oh, I love Mondays, can't wait to go to office"? Not everyone enjoys walking into an office building after spending the weekend at home. And why is that? We want to be in complete control of our physical spaces. Let's face it, our buildings don't always allow us to do that, unlike our homes. But considering the technology we have today, there's no reason why they can't be the same. At Delta Controls, we've spent years working with you in this ever-changing industry to make IntelliWeb the software solution to all your building automation and energy management needs. And we've come a long way together, haven't we? Today, with IntelliWeb, you can do a lot more than just controlling your HVAC system. You can manage your access control systems, your video surveillance systems, energy, lighting, and much more. Whether it's a few floors in a single building or a few hundred buildings across the city, IntelliWeb empowers you to manage every corner of it using a single software. So, what makes us the market leaders? For starters, we've got excellent built-in features in our software. IntelliWeb enables centralized facility management, allowing you to seamlessly connect to all the Delta controls and third-party devices on your network and manage multiple sites using a single login. There are different types of dashboards tailored to different users. Enterprise-level dashboards give you high-level information, whereas system-level dashboard helps you drill down to the details. And with personalized dashboards, you can easily customize your experience. You can create graphics and floor plans of your buildings using IntelliVis graphics without any plugins or installations. Energy management and energy views help you understand the energy usage of your building, drive down costs, and reduce emissions. The building automation reports collect data from all your controllers on your network. Audit log helps you troubleshoot by showing every little change that has taken place on your network. Alarm management gives you real-time alarms for your buildings with powerful filtering tools and custom alerts, which help you prioritize and take quick actions. With IntelliWeb, you can do engineering operations such as programming devices, updating firmware, creating objects and trend logs without leaving your desk. To make things more interesting, many of you have used IntelliWeb as an innovation platform. You've integrated IntelliWeb with mobile apps and third-party devices using our APIs and web services. Over the last few years, we've seen integrations with scheduling software, operation system, people-moving systems, and billing systems, to name just a few. But that's not all that makes us better than everyone else. At Delta Controls, we make sure that our product reflects what our customers truly want. Customer satisfaction and continuous improvement is at the heart of what we do. In just the last 3 years, our team of experts has delivered around 200 new feature requests from our clients, in addition to the regular security updates and feature enhancements, and that's what makes IntelliWeb awesome. Let's take a look at some of the things we've done in 2020. We've added a number of features under access controls in IntelliWeb. Now, integrating VivaTech's video surveillance cameras, you can view live videos directly within IntelliWeb. You can quickly get details about real-time access system activities using the new Event Viewer dashboard. The Who is In report lets you search and filter users based on their roles and other information. The Find User by Credential tool makes it easy for an administrator to find the user of a lost credential by simply scanning it. You can use PIN readers and multi-factor authentication on building sites, all using IntelliWeb access control. We introduced BACnet Secure Connect so you can create encrypted and authenticated connections between IntelliWeb and the devices that support BACnet Secure Connect. Global Settings lets you enable or disable auto-descriptor loading and device discovery for all sites to reduce network traffic and load large sites faster. Using BACnet filter, you can restrict which devices and objects IntelliWeb discovers. You can view active alarms from all sites in the network node, generate building automation reports for multiple sites in one go, enter phone numbers in user account, or get it automatically from the LDAP directory. Using the rename functionality on the object list, you can find and replace object names across multiple devices and sites all at once. Connect to EZNS and EZNT devices through the USB service port. You can quickly get records and timestamps of alarm notification emails in the IntelliWeb log to help you with troubleshooting. And you can have access to all these features and much more on IntelliWeb today. But does the fun end here? Of course not. At Delta Controls, we like dreaming big. We have opportunities right here, right now to take IntelliWeb to the next level. Wouldn't it be great if you could control multiple buildings across countries without having to worry about performance issues or scalability challenges? Think about the possibilities. One system that can handle hundreds of thousands of I/O points or tens of thousands of devices on a single site. Or think about having a retail chain with shopping outlets spread across the world. Let's take a look at all the exciting new things we've got planned for you on IntelliWeb. In the next version of IntelliWeb, in Q4 2020, BACnet Secure Connect will be further enhanced by adding the ability to revoke secure certificate and introducing Failover Hub. The new Network tab will be added to provide simple and intuitive user interface for network setup for eBus controller. Q4 2020 will also include system server messages and VFD module in the installer. We've also started the process of certifying IntelliWeb, including BACnet Secure Connect with BACnet Revision 16, which includes device profiles, BAWS and BSC Hub, which will be available to you in Q2 2021. You'll also get high-performance charting packages and the ability to handle higher number of BACnet Secure Connect connections in Q2 2021. In Q3 2021, IntelliWeb will have powerful analytics implemented for alarm management. We'll also implement auto-tagging for seamless transition between projects. 2021 will witness the start of implementing cluster technology to improve scalability. And how does that work? By setting up several server machines in a cluster, the projects can be distributed across clustered machines. This results in increased performance, greater scalability, and simplified management of large or rapidly growing systems. Clustering also provides failover support through load distribution and request recovery. Work will start on integrating the cloud-based enterprise archiving solution IntelliVault, and by Q2 2022, you will have IntelliVault for both IntelliCloud and the on-premise IntelliWeb. Also, the access control features we talked about earlier is barely scratching the surface of what we have on the roadmap. We'll be expanding to a suite of integrated security products right within IntelliWeb. Upcoming versions will allow a single access control system to handle multi-tenancy for commercial office buildings. The access controls will be further enhanced by adding access zones to Event Viewer, implementing anti-passback, and allowing backward compatibility for connecting legacy ADMs to V4 controllers. The future versions will see cutting-edge technology, including fever and mask detection, biometric integration, wireless lock set integration, readerless door, mobile credentialing, and much more. So stay tuned for more. Be a part of the future with Delta Controls.
Would you too like to enjoy greater efficiency, flexibility, and comfort with smart building technology? The new innovative O3 system from Delta Controls offers precisely that for your individual requirements. Offering easy expansion, the O3 system provides maximum energy efficiency and optimum room control comfort. How does it work? The central element is the innovative O3 Room Controller, which controls all operations in the room automation system. Functionalities including lighting, shading, and air conditioning are fully programmable. The room controller has all the data required to make quick, accurate decisions. As a universal interface for the room or space, it communicates with all the corresponding components, regardless of manufacturer or the protocol used. This information is collected by the O3 sensor hubs. The O3 system can be used to create individual, innovative building automation. Are you working on a conversion or renovation? Thanks to its outstanding flexibility and adaptability, the O3 system is the ideal solution for these special requirements. The O3 hub detects whether or not a room is being used. Installed centrally on the ceiling, it detects all the parameters in the environment, such as room climate, lighting conditions, and occupancy, and reports new events. The O3 hub records temperature fluctuations, detects lighting changes, and responds to motion in the room. If required, sound can also be used as a trigger. Room control is therefore always based on the current occupancy status. This information is forwarded to the O3 Room Controller and actively processed. This means that the system only provides access to authorized persons. It combines switches and functions wirelessly via in-ocean technology. Via iBeacon, it permits access to the room for authorized persons and assigns them individual user activities. The O3 system detects motion and presence in the building or room and changes the lighting conditions depending on the mood or time of day. In changeable weather conditions, it detects the amount of light in the room and responds accordingly. Depending on the room occupancy, the system automatically controls all infrared devices and makes available specifically predefined usage types. The temperature sensor controls the exact room temperature, and an integrated infrared temperature sensor even detects surface temperatures. The O3 hub provides audio and light warnings and detects the occupancy of the room using noise measurements as well. It also measures and regulates ambient humidity in the room, ensuring a perfect living environment. All functions can also be controlled directly using the O3 app. Individual room scenarios such as meeting, conference, and presentation modes can be selected as required. This data is stored to maintain perfect control over your desired room climate. With the O3 system from Delta Controls, you can experience the future of building automation today. Innovative, simple, uncomplicated. Delta Controls. Do it right.
We live in a data-driven, connected world. We're used to seeing a lot of systems where we might see an integration that takes place at a top level, but it's very rare that we see that truly natively integrated system, and that's exactly what we strive for at Delta Controls. What we need today in today's data-driven world is we need all the data to be brought together into dashboards so that the building owners can view the information, they can report on it, they can analyze it, and they can act on it. I'm absolutely thrilled to be today offering the O3 DIN access control solution. What this is it's the DIN rail access control module, which can be added onto the existing O3 controller. The O3 controller comes in two flavors. There's the O3 DIN CPU, with which you can add up to 24 access modules. And then there's the O3 DIN SRC single room controller. It's a lower cost controller, and it supports up to 4 modules. Really, modules of any type. And including 4 access control modules. In addition to what we manufacture, we have a full suite of field devices. This includes what we bring from Delta Electronics, the DC power supplies, There's a DC UPS module that works in conjunction with batteries to provide true online power to the system. We also offer a PoE module that can be connected to the O3 controller and allow us to get power over Ethernet. And then, of course, there's the field devices, the card readers, the door locks, request exit sensors, the cards themselves, everything you need to form the complete access control solution. When we developed the access solution, our focus was by and large on ease of use. And what this means is ease of installation, and it means ease of use for the customer that now owns the system. On the customer side, we create a series of dashboards which allows us to do the user enrollment, to set up users, assign credentials, assign which parts of the building they have access to. And we're going to see a video on that takes a deep dive just after this one. And then we also, on the installation side, what we've done is we've created a template which is going to be released, a templating tool which is released in eWeb 4.12, which allows us to really quickly create all of the objects that are needed for access, in addition to templates for a whole bunch of other products. So this is also a sign of things to come in terms of our engineering workflows within IntelliWeb. So what we're going to see is also a video on that, and you're going to see Corey step down off a ladder, and in under 5 minutes, he's going to have the door configured, and he's going to have a card with the credentials assigned. He's going to go from ladder to swipe in under 5 minutes. So it's very easy.
People desire a society that is safe and advanced. Serving as our most watchful eyes, video surveillance systems shoulder the responsibility of guarding the safety of this modern world. Since its founding in the year 2000, Vivotech has been profoundly engaged in the IP surveillance industry. Solutions provided include IP cameras, PoE solutions, network video recorders, and advanced video management software. With a core focus on R&D and innovation, a full third of Vivotech personnel work in the research and development department and are more than capable of providing customized service. At the same time, Vivotech ensures the reliability of its solutions through strict and diverse testing. To maintain the highest quality standards, Vivotech has achieved international certification, including ISO 14001 and TL 9000 for its OBM and OEM business. Beyond products, Vivotech emphasizes customer service before, during, and after purchase. To provide this service, a professional consultation team is available around the globe. The VWA, Vivotech Warrior Academy certification system, was also established to provide physical and online courses to elevate the expertise of all partners. Building on the concept of Internet of Things, Vivotech integrates key elements of the industry through application of diverse networks and strategic alliances. What Vivotech has in mind is to bring about a complete ecosystem for the surveillance industry. Therefore, Vivotech forges alliances with over 100 international software and hardware partners. Breaking the barriers of traditional technology to provide highly integrated, customized solutions, Vivotech is now carving out a fully intelligent development network. This brand new paradigm is founded on an agile integration of software and hardware. Vivotech has rich and profound experience in markets around the world. Currently, 183 authorized distributors deliver Vivotech products in over 116 countries across 4 continents. With service that meets and exceeds international standards, Vivotech solutions can be seen in all aspects of security and surveillance applications worldwide. As a leading brand in the global surveillance industry, Vivotech is committed to building an ecosystem for the IP surveillance industry and looks forward to long-term collaboration and growth with all partners in our shared pursuit of a safe and secure society.
This is the augmented indoor position tracking using Delta Control's O3 sensor hub and Google Maps floor plan technology. By using our app with Delta Control's O3 sensor hub, you'll get access to information such as room occupancy, noise level, room temperature, light level, and more in every room with an O3 sensor hub. Having trouble finding your friends or coworkers in your workplace? No problem. Using Bluetooth technology, our app can locate which room other users are in, if they want. How does it work? With a sensor in each room, it can determine the temperature, noise, light level in that specific room. The sensor then sends that data to our backend server, which then organizes it and presents it to the app. For location, the app reads the closest Bluetooth signals from the sensors to estimate the user's location. Once finalized, that approximate location is sent off to the server for your friends to see. In today's age of technology, why not take advantage of all the information around us? Buy the O3 Sensor Hub and use our Android app. Join the hub.